All of you need to be looking at how quickly you've been able to learn some things that are useful. That's really what excited me about this profession, is how quickly you can take this stuff and go home and hypnotize your daughter or your friend or your cousin or your neighbor and actually do something that they actually notice and create some sort of a change. And I know some of you guys are already doing this with each other, because you wake up from the trance and you smile and you thank each other and stuff like that, right? So there's something happening there.
This hypnosis training for me has been transformational.
It was amazing.
It was unbelievable, unbelievable.
It exceeded my expectations.
This is the best thing I ever decided to do.
The amount of hands-on experience was more than I expected, and I really believe that's the way you learn.
Seeing the students in the class and how quickly they're progressing.
We started the first full day actually hypnotizing each other, and it's been crazy to see the progression.
Just the sensation of sitting with somebody across from them and being able to help them, and indirectly turning around and helping me. It was amazing.
Between the first weekend and now, I can see such a huge difference in all of us.
I think that's been part of the power of this process, is the fact that we took a group of 12 or 13 people and immediately all became very close.
Those moments with people never met before, never seen before, knew nothing about their story, and to be a part of that, it's amazing.
It's been so hands-on and so tight-knit.
We have become this very tight group. We're very empathetic with each other. We've been so supportive. It's a really nurturing and caring environment.
The connection I got to feel getting to know them through their own experiences and my own has been outstanding.
You become comrades very quickly, and you support each other.
Everyone was super vulnerable from the start. Everyone is accepting and smart and fun and just easy to work with.
It's a no judgment zone. You're very safe, so it really is incredible.
We've been able to actually make real progress and impact just on our fellow classmates and areas of their life that, that are real things that they wanted to do.
In between our sessions, I started practicing on other people and started seeing changes within family members and friends right away.
I think the skill set we've gotten just after the 4 weeks is incredible.
I have had really good success in the last couple of weeks. I've already had 4 sessions with my friends and they loved it.
I started working on friends after the second week, and they are still telling me they're seeing positive results from our sessions.
Trance is supposed to be serious, right? Just like your whole life has been really serious, right? Okay, so put on your serious face. Okay, now I know you know what to do. So what I want you to do is this arm is going to begin to float down very slowly. And as it slowly floats down, you're going to put yourself into the deepest trance you've been in since, I don't know, since this morning probably.
Sean was just amazing. I have a newfound respect for Sean.
Sean, as a trainer, is compassionate, knowledgeable, just has deep insight.
He's been doing this for over 20 years, 15,000 sessions. This is a down-to-earth guy, super cool.
Sean immediately puts you at ease right away. He's very relatable, personable, and you can just tell him anything.
Personal, kind.
Very dynamic, very funny.
Extremely knowledgeable, humor beyond.
Engaging, he's funny, playful.
Energetic, passionate, funny.
He loves what he does, and it comes through in the training.
He just makes the class super interesting. I really enjoyed it.
There's a certain energy around him that he's so approachable.
You are interested in NLP or hypnosis, Sean is an excellent trainer.
He's so knowledgeable and so easygoing. He makes it look effortless.
He's much better than I thought he was going to be, quite honestly.
And he's very thorough, but makes it really enjoyable.
With his sense of humor and with his background has made the training, it doesn't seem like training.
The way that he is demonstrating the techniques while he's teaching the techniques makes it easier to learn and model.
Sean has it all, not just the book learning, but the practical, and is a continuing learner.
He's been extremely genuine, and he's a wonderful teacher.
He really was putting a lot into sharing everything that he knows.
You're not going to find a better training event, honestly. This is very intensive. I cannot say enough good things about Sean.
And then I want you to imagine her with your video game. Is it Xbox or PlayStation?
Xbox.
I want you to imagine her sitting next to you, sitting with your Xbox with the controller in her hand, telling you, "Come on, let's play together."
Man. Damn it. All right, I'm taking it back to Costco.
The impact that this training has had on me has been profound.
I feel like everything has changed.
The training has helped me understand myself a lot better.
It's really good for your personal growth.
I've noticed myself calmer, more patient.
For me, it's been an absolute spiritual journey.
I feel like $1,000,000. I feel like a weight has lifted off of me.
The training had an incredible impact on me.
People are changing. There were a lot of changing has happened in this group for the better.
Sean really helped me with my fear of public speaking.
I think that it's generally helped me to become more peaceful.
It really allowed me to understand why I'm doing things the way I'm doing, why I'm thinking the way I am.
I'm more confident. I'm more willing to take chances on things.
Having this skill set is literally a drag and drop, plug and play deepening of my hypnosis abilities.
It's been kind of like an epiphany, really understanding really the human experience.
It's one of the best things you could ever do for yourself.
It has been the best thing I've done for me in a very, very long time.
It's the best thing I've done for me so far.
I am so thankful that I've done this course.
I think that anyone who is thinking about attending should do it.
I just know that I'm going to be able to help and touch many people in their lives, so it's pretty exciting.
I feel like this is what I want to do for the rest of my life.
You know you're going to want to come do this.
Oh, I would say just do it. Don't even think about it. 100%.
I would really recommend it. Go for it.
Don't hesitate. This is something that you really, really benefit from.
If I was going to say anything to anyone about this program, I would say don't hesitate. Just do it.